Looking for a pressure washer hose that can handle tough jobs without failing? This 3/8 male quick connect plug to 3/8 female quick connect socket hose is rated up to 4,500 PSI, making it a reliable choice for both commercial and residential use. Whether you need a replacement or an extension, this 100-foot hose delivers the performance you expect. What sets this hose apart is its dual-braided steel over polyester construction. This design not only provides exceptional strength but also ensures long-lasting durability. The translucent polyurethane outer jacket adds flexibility while resisting abrasion up to 3 times better than traditional rubber hoses. Plus, it won't leave marks on surfaces, keeping your workspace clean. Compatible with most cold water pressure washers, this hose handles water temperatures up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The quick connect design means you can attach and detach it easily, saving you time and hassle during your cleaning projects. Whether you're washing your car, cleaning your driveway, or tackling commercial jobs, it fits seamlessly with your equipment. Durability is a key feature here. The hose includes 4-inch bend protectors on each end, which significantly extend its lifespan by preventing kinks and damage where hoses usually wear out fastest. On top of that, the polyurethane jacket wipes clean effortlessly, so maintenance is simple and quick. One user from the United States praised this hose for its strength and reliability, recommending it for anyone who needs a tough, long-lasting solution. This kind of real-world feedback highlights the quality and value you get with this product. If you're tired of hoses that crack, kink, or fail under pressure, this 3/8 quick connect hose offers a sturdy, flexible alternative. It's built to last and designed to make your pressure washing tasks easier and more efficient. Worth a look if you want peace of mind and solid performance. Ready to upgrade your pressure washing setup? This hose delivers what you need: strength, durability, and compatibility with most pressure washers. Try it when you're ready and see how much smoother your cleaning projects can go with a dependable hose by your side.